Welcome to IndusAyush. In this video, I'll show you how to log into IndusAyush and also how to use the forgot password option if you can't remember your login details. Let's start with the login process. On the home page, enter your user ID and password with received to your mail and click on sign in. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken directly to our dashboard. Now, if you ever forgot your login details, here what you need to do. On the home page, click on the forgot password link. You will be redirected to the forward password page. Enter your user ID and click on send request. Your user ID and password will be sent to your registered email and mobile number. Once you receive the details, return to the login page and log in using the credentials that were sent to you. That's how you can log in and also recover your credentials using the forgot password option on IndusAyush.